Achillea. The Achillea plant, known scientifically as Achillea millefolium, is a herbaceous species belonging to the Asteraceae family. This plant is widely used to prepare herbal teas beneficial for health, thanks to its numerous therapeutic properties. In this video, we will explore in detail the characteristics of the Achillea plant, its healing properties, and how Achillea-based herbal teas can promote overall well-being. Characteristics of the Achillea plant. Achillea is a perennial plant that grows spontaneously in many regions of the world, including Europe, North America, and Asia. It has an upright, branched, and hairy stem that can reach a height of about 60 to 90 centimeters. The leaves of Achillea are thread-like, with an opposite arrangement along the stem and a finely divided appearance. The Achillea plant produces corymb inflorescences, formed by small flowers in white, pink, or yellow colors. It is precisely in these flowering parts that the active principles responsible for the therapeutic properties of Achillea are concentrated. Healing properties of Achillea. Anti-inflammatory effect. Achillea contains compounds such as achillene, achilletin, and flavonoids, which possess anti-inflammatory properties. Achillea herbal teas can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with disorders such as arthritis and respiratory inflammations. Antimicrobial action. Achillea extracts have shown to possess antimicrobial activity, particularly against bacteria and pathogenic fungi. Regular use of Achillea herbal teas can help fight common infections such as urinary tract infections and promote a healthy immune system. Hemostatic properties. Thanks to the presence of tannins, Achillea has hemostatic properties, which means it promotes blood clotting. This characteristic can be useful in reducing bleeding and accelerating the healing of wounds and superficial cuts. Digestive action. Achillea herbal teas are often used to promote proper digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal disorders such as dyspepsia, flatulence, and diarrhea. Achillea helps stimulate bile production and improve intestinal motility. Relaxing and antispasmodic properties. Achillea-based herbal teas are known for their relaxing and antispasmodic properties. The essential oils present in the plant, such as chamazulene and borneol acetate, can help reduce stress and anxiety, as well as alleviate muscle cramps and painful contractions. Diuretic effect. Achillea is a natural diuretic, meaning it can increase urine production and promote detoxification of the body. Achillea herbal teas can be useful in promoting the elimination of waste substances through the kidneys and improving the health of the urinary tract. Herbal teas. Achillea-based herbal teas have traditionally been used to treat a wide range of disorders and promote overall well-being. They can be used for both therapeutic and preventive purposes. Achillea is known for its ability to reduce symptoms associated with the menstrual cycle, such as abdominal cramps, headaches, and irritability. Achillea herbal teas can help regulate menstrual flow and reduce the intensity of premenstrual and menstrual symptoms. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, Achillea can be used externally to soothe skin irritations, such as acne, eczema, and dermatitis. Furthermore, regular consumption of Achillea herbal teas can contribute to maintaining healthy and radiant skin from the inside. Promote digestion. Achillea herbal teas are often used as natural digestives after heavy meals. They can help reduce the feeling of bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and promote good digestive health. Stimulate the immune system. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, Achillea can support the immune system and protect the body from diseases and infections. Achillea herbal teas can be consumed regularly as part of an immune-boosting strategy. Achillea is a plant with many beneficial properties for health and is often used to prepare healing herbal teas. Its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, hemostatic, digestive, and relaxing properties make it a popular choice for treating a variety of disorders and promoting overall well-being. To prepare an Achillea herbal tea, follow these simple steps. For a cup of tea, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried herbs or 2 to 3 teaspoons of fresh herbs to a cup of hot water just below the boiling point. Infusion. Cover the cup with a lid or saucer and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the beneficial properties of Achillea to transfer into the water. Straining and serving. After steeping, strain the herbal tea using a sieve or filter to remove solid particles. You can sweeten the tea with a teaspoon of honey or sugar if you prefer a sweeter taste. Serve the tea hot and savor it slowly to enjoy its benefits. Remember that it is important to consult an expert before using Achillea or any herb for therapeutic purposes. Additionally, keep in mind that Achillea herbal teas may interact with certain medications or health conditions, so it is always advisable to seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional.